Hey guys, I'm Kent and welcome back to my channel. This will be a very quick video. It's not really even an install video just because this is so straightforward. I just wanted to show off a product that I was sent and see what they look like on the 2022 Grom. So I've got my wife's 22 Grom up on the lift here, and this is the product. It's from Kemimoto. It's black colored washers to replace the 6 on each side. They come stock, this painted silver color. I've got a lot of yellow and black contrasting and a lot of other colors on this bike, but I think some black anodized aluminum ones are gonna look good. So this is how they come, each individually wrapped. I'll pull one out here. And this is the product. So it's kind of in a 5-star pattern, but has very good machining, and the anodizing looks fantastic. So again, it's hard to even call this an installation. You just need a 5mm Allen key to remove the stock washers. So using the stock hardware, which is already a anodized black, it's that simple. So let me go ahead and get the other 5 on this side and the 6 on the other side, and this will be buttoned up. All right, so again, hard to even call this an install. I just wanted to show you what the product looks like. I think it looks great. I like the machining. Again, the anodizing looks good. And since all of the Groms have a lot of black on it, I think it matches really well. This also comes in a few other colors. I will link to this product in the description below. And for a limited time, I'll also have a discount code if you're interested in picking some of these up for yourself. So anyway, thank you, Kemimoto, for letting me try out this product. I think it looks great. Thank you, everybody, very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and keep on building.